Hi everyone, we're going to make a business card. So we press delete and we're going to start with 7, pressing N, and we scroll down where we can start up your screencast keys. If you don't know what it is, this is every button I push you will see on the screen, and if you want to do it or use it yourself, you can look underneath my name. There's a tutorial about it, how to do it. Now we're going to add mesh plane, and we're going to enlarge it in X direction a little bit. Do something like that, and in Y direction as Y, do something like this. So this is the base of my key card, of my business card. Now we're going to edit modes. We're going to use the command E to enlarge it, and we're going to enlarge it to 009, something like this. Okay, we select face, use face selection, and right click on the face, delete only the face, just face selection, sorry, not only the face but face selection, and we have something like that. There are much more different ways to do it, and just showing you one. Just right click on the top one, hold down the shift button, right click on that one, and we're going to subdivide it twice. Okay, you see over here we're going to vertex selection, and we select that point only and the one on the other side. Press F and we drew a line between both of them. We're going to do the same, right click on that one, right click on that one, and we're going to subdivide them. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, we have already two. I'm going to subdivide that one first. Going to click on that one, right click on that one, and we're going to subdivide it again. Now that line, and hold down the shift button, and that line I don't need, so we're going to delete edge. Now go to vertex selection, right click on that one, shift right click on that one, press F, hold down the shift button and select those 4 points, press F and it is filled. Right click on that one, 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 right. You see that the line is not completely lighting up, meaning that there are points just in between. Just select all points, and you see that and everything is lighting up. You can press F and you'll fill up your business card. Now select, use the selection tool edges, and right click on that one and make this square, nice square. Later on we put here the QR code. Okay, we're going to select that face and we're going to add a basic material, and the basic material for that will be blue. We're going to select a blue color with much intensity. I don't want no shadow whatsoever. Okay, you could add a structure or texture, for instance blend, meaning that from left to right or from up and down. I can, let's say, diagonal, and we're going to select the object, meaning that, and if we look, we cannot look, we have to, okay, we're going to put the camera first. Camera, we're going to lock camera view, cursor on the screen, 0, going to position our business card where we want it, like that, nice in the middle. Okay, unlock camera view, press 0, going to show you something else. You put your light over here, Control Shift to put a light over here. When the two lights are in position, you can render, and what you're going to see is, you see two light balls, one over here and one over here. I don't want that now, so we're going to delete. Just right click on it, delete lamp, right click on delete lamp, and we're going to, if you like it, you could use it. If you say I like more what you do, I'll show you how to do it. World, and you can see here environment lighting. meaning that the lighting will be at every spot the same, and you can define what kind of lighting, white lighting or other, you can choose whatever you want, and you can add the intensity of it. So if I render again, you will see everything is illuminating at the same time, same thing. Okay, good. So the first thing is already done. We go back to edit mode, select, of course, right click on it, go back to edit mode. Good. And we're going to select, first of all, face selection, right click on that one. We're going to add an extra material, plus over there, because we are still at the same part. Add, we're going to call it white, because the background is white. Maximum intensity and no shadow. And we're going to assign. Don't forget to assign, otherwise you won't see it. Okay. Add some texture, and the texture will be the image file. An image file. Open up. Mine is under Blender, the business card, where I downloaded a QR code. I think you. Okay. Before doing the rest, we go switching to UV editing. Scroll up your mouse. Be sure that you select here where your QR code should be. Then press T to get to that menu. If you don't have it, shadow UV, you say mark scene. This is meaning I'm going to mark what the UV code should take place. Then left click on it and say unwrap. On the UV editing, there appears a box, and this is the box which will control or will have the details or the picture that I want. So to do the QR code in it, open up that one, go to D, Blender. On the business card, select your QR code. Open it up and you will see that the QR code is bigger than what I have selected. No problem. We right click on that one, shift right click on that one, use G and move it up. So everything is completely in the box. Double click on A, not that important, but just to select everything, and go back to default. Now, underneath here, you can select the UV map. And if we render now again, you should have your card with underneath to the right your QR code. Okay, good. Now we're going to add the business card, has a name and a company logo. So we go to object mode, add text. And the first text we're going to add is the company name. So we go to edit mode. With the backspace, we're going to delete. And the company is called, Brink, or Brink like that, and Son. Okay. We go into object mode, which I'm going to give it a color, and the color will be red, of course. You can do whatever you like with it. It's just an example of how to do it. I don't want any shadow. And we're going to position it a little bit like this. It should look okay. Rather 0.9 probably be better. Or 0. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Now everything has to be on the card, so therefore we're going to cursor on the screen, Control C, mesh from curve. Now we're going to Tools, add modifier, shrink wrap, select the plane, add 001 to it and apply. You can still move your text around. If you want it later on to move it again, no problem, you can do it. Okay, later on I'll bind everything together. So we're going to add another text, which will say who is that card belonging, and we're going to edit mode, and the name of the person is Macy Sweet, and she's service engineer at the company. If you want it more Macy Suite more centered, go by your cursor to the left, pull, and add some spaces from the space bar so it looks okay. Now go to object mode, again same principle, add some, I'm choosing black for that one, nice black color, fill it, select, I did not use it, select that, maximum, lay off, shadow, okay, and now we're going to fonts. I'm going to change the font, and the fonts are positioned on the Windows fonts, and I love Cooper Black. You can choose whatever you want. If you don't know what to choose, go in Word or whatever other type of Word Explorer, text editor, sorry, you can select which font you like, and then you can find it back here. Open that font, and now we're going to shrink down until we have what we want. I'm going to put service engineer somewhere over here. If you want her name in another color and service engineer in another color, you have to make these texts in two text types, so you can change the color between both of them. Let's say 55, 055. Yeah, it's more like it, like this. Okay. We're going to do the same. Select it. Alt-C. Mesh from curve. Going to bring it down by shrink wrap on the plane, not on the text. 001, and press 7. You can move it around now and say, okay, mine is looking, should look like this. Okay, I think this is rather nice. Apply. We're going to let it render, and you have seen this is a nice business card. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just pop them over there. I will try to help you if I can and I have time. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.